Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry or this pixelated screen on Fortnite. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now this is super easy to fix. First of all, you want to open up your Fortnite and click on your profile icon, go to your settings, and here in settings make sure you are on video option, and right there if you are on performance graphical fidelity, then you should see the same settings as I do. But basically what you want to do is go ahead, scroll down until you will see graphics quality or performance mode. If you are not on performance, you will see more settings, but you will still see 3D resolution. So 3D resolution, you want to make sure it's on 100%. You can do a little bit less for a better FPS, so let's click apply and then go back, and as you can see the pixelated blurry screen is now fixed. So this is the problem, what's causing it. You can do a 3D resolution 75 but no less, and let's go and apply it. Let's go back. As you can see, it's a little bit worse than 100, but it's still quite good if you want to have a good FPS, because it will affect it, but I suggest you to just leave it to 100. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.